In this video, I'd like to do a quick unboxing of the VGA to HDMI converter. Our product code is the HDM/MOP, M-O-P. Now, if we have a look at this one, here's the USB to power it up. It's got the VGA port over there, so this will be plugged into our computer or our DVR. Here's the audio jack for providing and combining video and audio. And there is the HDMI output. So this will run through to our television. So if we got a computer or something that doesn't have an HDMI port, we would plug in the VGA and then we would be able to plug it into a monitor or a television with an HDMI port. If you guys have got any questions or comments, please feel free to get in touch with us. We'll do our best to assist you.